Welcome to another time-saving tip with man versus AI. In this video I have two clips, one man-made, the other created by a text-to-video application. Man and AI will be discussing how to use ChatGPT to get formula help for Excel, specifically how to sum a column of data that dynamically recalculates when the table is filtered. Let's have at it. In this Excel worksheet I have a table of data. I want to sum the results column. However, if I just use the sum formula, the results do not dynamically update when I filter the table. To get help, let's turn to AI. I will be using ChatGPT from OpenAI.com. If you haven't already, you will need to set up a free account. This free account allows you to use ChatGPT version 3.5, which is all you need to repeat the same process on your own subject. I'm logged into ChatGPT with my account. The most critical step when using ChatGPT is providing a detailed prompt. To get started, I will paste in this prompt. You are a casual to experienced user of Excel. Please provide a formula that can sum the values in the results column of Table 1 in Excel that updates the results when a table or range is filtered. Once you are comfortable with your prompt, press the up arrow and sit back while ChatGPT does the work. It is important to note that AI is still young and not always accurate. Make sure you test everything thoroughly. ChatGPT provides an explanation on how to use the formula and how to add it to your table. I will copy the code, switch over to Excel, and paste it at the bottom of column F. The subtotal formula calculates the sum of column F, and when I filter on the facility column, it automatically updates to reflect the sum of only the visible cells. Just what we wanted. The subtotal function is a multi-purpose function. It can sum, average, find the min, max, and several other functions. For an explanation, let's ask ChatGPT. I will paste the prompt. Please explain the subtotal function, including the difference between 9 and 109. ChatGPT quickly describes the features of this flexible function that can aggregate data into columns or rows. So today we've learned two things. First, how we can use ChatGPT to up our Excel game, and second, how you use the subtotal function to dynamically total a column or row. If you like this tip and want to see more like it, subscribe to my channel and tap on the like button, and to be notified when more tips are posted, tap the bell icon. Now let's see what AI can do.
Ever found yourself tangled in the seemingly complex task of summing a column in a filtered Excel table? No need to fret. In the next 3 minutes, you'll gain a new perspective on how to turn this challenge into a walk in the park. First things first, you need to understand what a subtotal function is. This is a handy tool that Excel offers, and it's about to become your best friend. The subtotal function performs a calculation on a list of numbers, but it also respects the filters you apply to your data. So if you filter your data, the result of the subtotal function changes too. Now, how to use this magical function? It's pretty simple. Type in =subtotal 9 into a cell where you want the sum to appear. The number 9 here stands for the sum operation. You can replace it with other numbers for different operations, but for now, stick with 9. Next, select the range of cells you want to sum. This could be a column or a row, depending on your data. After selecting the range, close the parentheses and hit enter. Boom! You've got your sum, and it'll change dynamically as you filter your data. To recap, here's what you've done. 1. You've learned what the subtotal function is and how it can make your life easier. 1. You've written a subtotal function in a cell using the number 9 to signify a sum operation. 1. You've selected the range of cells you want to sum. 1. You've closed the parentheses and hit enter to get your dynamic sum. And that's it. You've mastered the art of summing a column in a filtered Excel table. No more grappling with complex formulas or pulling your hair out when your sum doesn't update after filtering. With the subtotal function, Excel does all the heavy lifting for you. So go forth and conquer your spreadsheets with newfound confidence and skill.
Even though AI took a slightly different approach, we can see that the subtotal function is a valuable and time-saving tool. Now it's time for you to decide, man or AI. Leave a comment, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode of Man vs. AI, the Tech Tip Rivalry.